How to add a Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. So the first step is to simply open Amazon and then simply tap on the search bar. Then simply search Amazon Reload, and then you're gonna have to simply scroll down and click on this one here, Amazon Reload, which is this one right here. Click on this, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply scroll down and then simply enter your Visa gift card amount. So as you can see, you have $25, 15100, and here you can even type in if you have another value on the gift card, you can type in. Now before you tap on buy now, what you're gonna have to do is simply scroll down here, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply add this Visa gift card as a payment method. So as you can see, if I click on buy now, I'm gonna get redirected here. So what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on add new, and then simply tap on add a credit or a debit card, and then here you're gonna have to simply enter that Visa gift card number, expiration date, and then here where it says name on card, you're gonna have to simply type in whatever is on the front of that gift card. So it doesn't have to be a name in order to work. So after you do that, simply tap on add and continue, and then simply place your order, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.